this lesson, we will learn that how we can use LifterLMS course outline block. LifterLMS course outline block helps to display the course outline. Here you can see I have the course outline. So you can use this block on any pages you want. So how to add that? First, we have to visit a specific page where we want to show that course outline. Then we have to click on this plus icon. Then in the search box, we have to type for course outline. So here is the course outline block. We have to add it. And now you can see here on the right side, we have option that is select course. That means we have to select a specific course that we want to show the course outline for. So I will select my course that will be college planning. And also here we have option that is outline type. That means if you want, you can show the full course outline or also you can show the current section of outline. So I selected full one. I will show the two different options, full and current section as well. So first I will update it. And also here you can see we have this collapse option. So if you want that you will make the outline section collapse, then you can enable this checkbox. Then when you will enable this checkbox, you will get another option that will be toggles. So you can display this as well. So I am not enabling this one. So if you enable this one, it will look like this. Here you can see open all or close all option. So I don't want it. So I will disable this. And if I update, and now if I visit my page again and refresh it, so here you can see my course outline. Here you can see in my course outline. So this course outline is now showing full course outline. That means I can see all the lessons I have on my course. So if you want, you can select current section outline type. If I select current section outline type and update it, you will see the difference here. Now it will not show me the full course outline. It will show the current section I am on. So you can see I am on now in instructional content section. That's why it's showing me this content. So when I will complete this, it will show me the next one.